Hello, welcome back to this virtual platform. In today's lesson, I'll be talking to you about compound measure, speed, distance, and time. The formula we normally use is speed equal distance over time. And some people also prefer to use a triangular formula, which is still the same. What I need you to remember is that if time is not discrete, remember to change it into minutes. For example, if it's not given at 3 hours or 7 hours, change it by multiplying by 60. So for example, 2.3 hours will become 138 minutes. So let's look at exam style question. Okay, looking at this question, Inshira drove from his house to a hotel for a meeting. He left his house at 13:20. Inshira arrived at the hotel at 14:38. The hotel is 65 miles away from his house. Work out the average speed of the car from 13:20 to 14:38. So we need to get information from the question. If you check carefully, we have distance 65 miles. Time between these two given times is 78 minutes. So what is missing is speed. So average speed, which is the speed that we're supposed to work out, if you look at your triangular formula, you cover speed because that's what you are looking for. So if you cover speed, you now have distance divided by time. So if you divide distance by time, you have 65 divided by 78. Now remember that answer that you've got is just miles per minute because you divided it by minutes. But speed is normally measured per hour. So to convert it into hour, you multiply it by 60. So multiplying 0.83 recurring by 60, that would give you 50 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. So this is how we do simple basic question on speed, distance, time. Remember, you divide it by minutes, so to convert the answer, multiply the answer by 60. And like I showed you before, we had the time in minutes because it's not a discrete number, so we convert it into minutes, and therefore we need to convert it back by multiplying by 60. So the final answer is 50 miles per hour. Let's look at the next exam style question. So on the next slide, I'm going to explain to you the next exam style question.